It's Jomar, and today we are with Zain Yazon, who is a native of Quezon City, lived, worked, born in Quezon City also. She's a marketing executive, and I'll let her introduce her short background. Take it away, Zain.
Hello and welcome dito sa Sir Jomar. I'm actually working as a head ng photo studio business, sales and marketing. I'm handling about 22 branches. Since operations ito, I have my 8 to 5 job and I got attracted hearing Sir Jomar when he spoke, diba? I'm also going towards senior na, no? Pero mga 6 years pa naman. After that, sabi ko, ang galing nito. So, when I heard you speaking, I got attracted agad dun sa second incomes book.
Mhm.
So, and at the same time, sabi ko, the reason why I joined 3N 2X Launchpad is because affiliate marketing lang talaga muna. I wanted to have extra income, no? Kasi may konting side hustle din tayo, sir. So, I do some coaching, ganyan, about leadership and customer service where my actual expertise is. So kaya ganon. So and then when I joined for the past 3 nights talaga, yeah, for 3 nights, and I'm supposed to stay in the office lang just to attend. Pero hindi, kailangan ko umuwi kasi I wanna be relaxed and I wanted to be focused on hearing you sharing to the team and making us really work.
Mhm.
So if you really want to do something and you're up to it, so you have to go for it. Yun yung akin, sir.
Galing. Nakutan mong one thing na technology-based na before you started the 3 and 2X.
I was thinking na yung website, sir, is coding. Sabi ko pag coding, when I was in high school, we were the first, I think, na mayroong program namin. So, computer science during that time. Pero yung, when I hear about 010001,
Yeah.
hala, automatic mental block. So that was my fear na website, client getting websites. So you shared to us the link for the pre-launch. So
Mhm.
talagang iniisa-isa ko and assignments na pinapagawa mo. Content, then after which aesthetic look doon. So aesthetic, color, yan. End of the day, meron akong maipasa before 5 o'clock going, sir. I was really surprised. Mapunta na I really need to make it a point na
Mhm.
so next was sa'yo. At workshop ito eh.
Mhm.
Even if people or us need for it, maximize mo. 'Di ba? Para yung learnings mo, it's not about the money, it's not about length, it's about how you will apply what you learned for the day
Mhm.
and do it at the end of the day para
Start yung next session para manalo sila ng prize.
yes, my eyes was glued really doon bigla ano that's my precious
By the way, sabi mo sa mo para they got an idea naman.
and I'm happy to announce most especially doon sa next batch you really have to go for that, no. Oh, not aside from the price, actually it's the learning, but I won an LED mouse at ang galing.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for enlightening us, no? If you can remember a moment na nasabi mo, kaya ko pala to. During the entire workshop, did you ever say that to yourself? Kaya ko pala to. Yung parang secretly or quietly.
Yes, actually, kasi for the website alone at na i-offer as a service, I had 3 times change ng magiging target market ko. At first, it was the teacherpreneur, if you would remember.
Yeah.
Would you believe I was out of the country that day when we had that follow-up Zoom? When I went back in the Philippines, yung about the teachers and the professors, no, I was enlightened by your suggestion. And then after which I then had I was thinking that I would share my services naman to business owners. So
Yeah.
what type of business owners naman ito? Coaches ba ito or mga professional people? So then until I finally had my final choice in which isa lang yung focus ko, which is to keep the business owners have their teams high performing through the services that I will give sa training programs. Yan.
Yan, meron na specific.
Kasi
Oo.
which is yun.
Yes. The niche selection, no? That's thank you for telling the listeners your niche selection journey. Kasi, yung I made this one, then I changed it, then I changed it. And everybody thinks, oh, I'll just make one.
Yeah, at saka most people kasi they give up kapag ako, I would encourage people to keep on going. Di ba? At the end of the day, kailan, I still keep up with that. That's a word.
Galing-galing.
The
Parang
momentum is
momentum.
there.
No? So
Correct.
what did you finish or were able to finish that made you proud?
Yun, yung website.
Mm.
When I to my graphic artist who's going to join sa next batch, when I show it to him and to the other, no, yung aking marketing assistant, ay wow. Parang I first took so much time about content. Yung laman, what am I going to present to my niche, to my target market. So very careful ako talaga sa content, what am I going to put. And then the aesthetic. Tapos, when I showed yung mock-up, bilang officer, di ba, manager of a department, parang normally taga-utos. So, that alone talaga tama sa kanila yung work mo.
Yeah.
And then, what I also learned kasi from the start, syempre yung SAFe framework, that even if people will probably hate you for doing it, or you even hate yourself for not doing it or for making mistakes, importante rin na at the end of it, na pag you pass through and that challenges and successfully, di ba?
Experience, no? You didn't show them the site, you showed them the mock-up.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
You have a high position eh. Like from your kid, syempre you have a high position. From your employees,
As a
you have
parent.
a high position. Tapos ikaw yung galing. It shows that you're an achiever even in the eyes of your children or your employees. Galing. So, eto, somebody's listening to us, watching us and saying, naku, takot ako sa technology. I don't know how to sell. How do, how would you, what would you tell them after you joined our 3N2X Launchpad?
Okay. Ako masasabi ko, since I went through it, just flow come to you and just follow the process. Kasi in anything that we do, even simple things, may process naman eh. Just go through it and enjoy ka lang. Kasi since meron namang pre-launch, so that prior to the actual day on the 21st, on July 21, play with it, work with it, continuously have mistakes, and enjoy ka lang. Laugh at yourself. Kasi at the end of the day, you're learning. You're adding value to yourself. Adding value na kahit the only challenge, who are you challenging to is not the others. Is not your classmates, but actually you're challenging yourself. Mga sa younger generation or even to my kids nga, na technology na
sinabi mo, which is if people were listening carefully, they would find it really strange. Launch ng 3N2X, you hurry up and make a lot of mistakes. The stuff we teach you in the front end would be on making tons of mistakes.
Yes.
So anyway, if hopefully that makes you intrigued, no? Because that step was obviously designed to get rid of your fear of perfection.
That's right.
Or imperfection, whichever. Okay?
That's right. That's right. The first time that I shared that mock-up, actually, yun nga, sabi ko nga, I'm learning from my mistakes and I mas na-appreciate ko po yun.
I committed that mistake first before I saw it in other people. Kaya naman po yun. And then I want to talk about this other thing, which is yung siguro portfolio, siguro LinkedIn. And what was the lesson you learned from that?
What I learned from you, and most especially in doing this services that I'm going to give to my target market, kailangan mag-focus. You won't spread yourself too thinly. Yung energy mo must focus doon sa target market. So that perfection, yung progress will really happen. Kasi as you practice, as you go through the process, as you continuously move forward, may progress. Ang purpose talaga natin, growth sa mga business owners. To make sure and make it a point that when I serve these business owners, growth ang goal.
Bibigyan kita ng a question that just popped out of my mind. This is our last question, I think. Can you explain to us, or your insight man lang, about this ginawa ni Neil. Neil is with us here in the recording. Pero hindi siya nagpapakita. Pero instead of his face, pinakita niya itong babaeng ito. Can you tell us any comment you have? Para na-expect nila because the stuff is also there in the workshop.
Yeah.
Can you
Actually,
go for it, go for it.
all right. Actually, itong framework na to, yung if I may use the term, use na, no,
Yeah.
Saint framework is actually very enlightening, no, to everyone. And ito yung aming parang initial patron saint na si
Correct.
na of Lishu. Because of this inspiration na discuss, we named our batch na for Saint Francis of the Sales. Yan. For those who will be joining the second batch, no, that's going to be on July 21, 22, and 23, you will be very inspired because since framework na gagamitin ni Sir Jomar are saints, these are real human people who have undergone both to their sainthood and of course a lot of failures, which means with that as a framework you will really have to undergo that para in order for you to reach whatever your goal towards sainthood, towards success, or even success to your business or to your life. As we go through it, there will really be challenges that you will face. So it is up to you and up to us how you're going to stand up from that challenge. Yun, sir.
Thank you, Suzanne. Thank you. And so everyone, thank you for watching us and listening to us. If this is in the podcast, this is also going to Spotify, by the way. Magi siyang video and iPad and YouTube. So guys, join us in if you're watching this in 2026, look for this, Google nyo yan, our 3 nights 2x challenge, or go to my website, go to Zane's Facebook account, inquire from her, meron pa ba kayong bago? And if you are a high-ranking executive na gusto pagdating
Go for it.
Sales, marketing, AI, and website creation, ito na yung pinaka ng 25K. So this is actually very far from the previous stuff na. Ang normal ko noon was 10K. Yun. Anyway, tama na.
Thank you, sir.